Hey everyone, welcome to this video. And today I'm going to be doing two things. Number one, reviewing different tools or potential, tools to use to help access the Amazon Ads API. And then number two, start working on doing an Amazon Ads API call, which is just basically trying to get data from the Amazon Ads API. So let's dive right in. But before we do, I want to take just 1 minute to quickly, 1.5 minutes to quickly just thank everyone for really quick. So those on LinkedIn that, thank you Fahad for the comments on the video that I published on April 12th. Thank you to everyone who engaged with the video. Dorothy, Brendan, Dimitro, just everyone, Justin. So thank you so much for the engagement. Also to Jimmy for the comment, everyone who engaged here on Facebook. Aaron, yes, this is something I will be working on is, I'm going to have some conversations with some people about, maybe basically what I want to do is potentially, ask someone if they would allow me to access their account and start, using software on their account, but I can record it and show everyone because I know it's personal data. So I'm gonna have to ask someone about it. And everyone on Instagram who engaged, Benji, Doreen, everyone here. And then also everyone who watched the video, the short YouTube short and the videos as well. So thank you so much for that engagement. Means a lot to me. Thank you. Cool. Let's dive right in. So what I was doing is, I was kind of looking at, so there's this Postman collection, which is a tool called Postman. I was looking into it and basically it makes it easier to do things, ease the management of authentication, pre-built requests, which is pretty interesting. I don't know if I'm going to use it as an alternative to many first-time callers may find Postman useful. I don't know. I haven't decided if I'm going to use that or not. I was looking into it. I was also looking at, I Googled, because the language that I use is Python. So I Googled like different, this is a Python wrapper for the Amazon Ads API that people can use just to make it a little easier. Something on GitHub as well. And it's really interesting. I Googled it, and something that's really interesting here is, hold on, let me go to GitHub. I think this is it. It's kind of funny because Brent, the person who wrote this, D. Brent, he is actually someone that years ago, I actually had quite a bit of contact with at Amazon when I first got access to the API. So that's really cool. It's like, 5 years ago or something like that. So it's just crazy to see him on GitHub here. Which is just platform for putting code and stuff. So, so what I decided to do is just, do a request. So go over here, make your first call. Get campaigns endpoints. So, all right. So I'm going to just go ahead and start. So I'm going to open up PyCharm, which is what I use for coding and stuff like that. And I've got quite a few projects here. I'm just going to open up, hold on, got my keys here. Let me go here, open up this project that I just finished. And then also going to open, not my keys because I don't want people to know those. New window. Cool. All right, and then let's take a look here. So I'm just going to start doing stuff. So what I'm doing here is I'm looking for, I need to import requests. So import, what this will do is allow me to, I need to install the request package really quick. There we go. So while that's installing, go here. There we go. we need to do a get. So it's going to be response equals requests.get. So, because I'm going to get information. And then what I've got to do is start looking at here. So I'm going to do, I think this is the API endpoint right here. So Amazon, hold on, I'm going to assign this as a global variable. Amazon North America API endpoint equals, there we go. There's our endpoint right there. I believe, I don't know, I could be wrong. We'll see. And then we need our headers. So, okay, cool. So let me do this. I'm going to make a dictionary. They call this a dictionary. So we'll call it headers equals. And then we just need to copy and paste. And then our client ID. I'm going to get that later. I'm not going to get that now because I don't want to, since it's a sensitive thing. So basically what I'm going to do is, I can't put it on here because anyone could access it, right? Like if you know that information from my stuff, then you could use it. And, each ID is for that specific company or whatever. So what I'm going to do is there's like a way in this tool to be able to like hide it so that I can actually like access it here, but it's hidden from everyone else. So I'm going to do that, outside of this video, because it's sensitive information. A valid API access token. All right. And then we don't need this here because it says required. No, but this is required. So an Amazon profile ID, which is another piece of sensitive information that I'll probably, we'll see if this works. That I will, so we're going to do Amazon, that's the endpoint, JSON, hold on. I need to look at the requests. So this is the header. What's Postman? Post. Shows a list of sponsored requesting using the, oh, okay, header. So it looks like you only need headers. The following sample response contains. All right, let me see. Best way to do it. So we've got headers, but we don't have any JSON. I'm not sure if I need the JSON. Okay. I mean, that's the thing about this, man. You got to play around with it and figure it out. So we know the headers are going to be the headers here. Okay, so JSON. I guess I don't need parameters, just headers. Oh, this is a post request. Oh, I see. Oh, cool. Yeah, the way I do it's a little different here. I might actually just copy this and see if it works. Let's see. Curl request Python. Oh, import PyCurl? Hold on. Oh, here we go. All right. Gotcha. So you'd have to import it. CURL. Just going to try my way. Might fail, might do well, but I think that's one of my goals here with this is to just, share as much as I can. That's not super private, I guess you could say, like client ID. So, what I got to do is in terms of to-dos, the scope, I need to get a token, headers, basic request and response suits your needs. Let's take a look here. Wait for the report, download the report. 4 header parameters. Oh, okay, so getting started with version 3 reports. Oh, here we go. Summary. So okay, cool. I think yeah. Cool. I think I can figure this out a little bit. Now I'm starting to see it. So this before here is like, really like just like getting kind of set up or whatever, like what you need. This is our prefix. So I'm assuming this is Amazon API endpoint. Hold on. Amazon ads, API endpoints. Cool. Cool. Well, we'll figure maybe it will, maybe it won't. All right, cool. So what I need to do is we got like 8 seconds left for this video. So I'm going to need to create and, basically they call them environment variables where I can put it in here and that way nobody sees it. I need to get authorization and then do this and see what happens. Actually, hold on. I'm going to run it and see what happens. Just run it. I'm going to get an error. So syntax error. Okay, here we syntax error. Expression expected after dictionary key. All right, yeah, that's fine. That makes sense. Just wanted to see what it would say. All right, everyone. So this is, we're getting close. We're getting close. And then we'll be, once we get past this piece, then we'll be pulling data. We'll be looking at information and we'll be seeing what happens. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching the video and appreciate you as always. Until next time.